Mars is often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. The iron oxide gives the Martian soil its distinctive color. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often considered Earth's sister planet due to its similarities. It has a similar axial tilt to Earth, which means it experiences seasons like Earth does. Although they are much longer on Mars due to its longer orbit around the Sun, it is 141 million miles away from the Sun. It would take 300 days, around 8 months, to get there from Earth. Mars has two moons called Deimos and Phobos. They are named after the two horses that pull the Roman god of war, Mars's chariot. They may be asteroids captured by Mars' gravity. A day on Mars lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes. Mars is smaller than Earth with a diameter of 4,217 miles. This makes it the second smallest planet in our solar system. 1 year on Mars is 687 days long. That's 1.9 Earth years. This is because Mars is further away from the Sun, so it takes longer to orbit it. The tilt on the axis of Mars is 25 degrees, which means that the planet experiences seasons like we do on Earth, as different parts of the planet are closer to the Sun at different times of its orbit. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. This massive shield volcano stands at about 13.6 miles high, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The biggest crater on Mars is Borealis Basin. It is 5,300 miles from end to end and covers 40 of planet's surface. Mars has a very thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon gas. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is about 0.6 of Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level, making it impossible for liquid water to exist on the surface for long periods due to the low pressure and temperature. Mars has very weak gravity. Gravity on Mars is 37 less than on Earth. This means that on Mars you could jump 3x higher than on Earth. Mars is a terrestrial planet because it has a hard and rocky surface. Its northern side is full of flat plains, and the southern side has ridges and craters. Mars' surface has many channels, plains, and canyons, which could have been caused by water erosion, water wearing away the surface. This could be evidence that open water in liquid form once existed on the surface billions of years ago. Mars has been a focus of scientific exploration due to the possibility that it may have once harbored life, or might still do so in some form today. Evidence suggests that Mars was once warmer and wetter, with liquid water flowing on its surface. Recent discoveries of subsurface water ice and seasonal flows of briny water suggest that liquid water may still exist underground, raising the prospect of microbial life existing on Mars. We sent out Mars rovers, which are like robots on missions to explore Mars and collect samples and record scientific data for scientists on Earth to study. Some of these rovers include Viking 1, Viking 2, Mars 2, Mars 3, Spirit, Phoenix, Pathfinder, Curiosity, and There is no evidence of life on Mars. However, it is the planet with the best conditions to support life, and scientists believe there is potential for life under the surface of Mars because they recently found water ice just under the surface.